you, man?
How are you, stagman?
I'm very good, bro. Look at that, mate. I've just started a Facebook Live. Look what happened. Awesome.
Shout out, hey. Shout out to Richard Beale.
Wicked
loves you.
Oh, bless you. Big shout out to you, mate. Big love. Look at that.
Richard Beale.
Richard. Go on, Richard. What in the ear? Cricket. Oh, wicked, mate. Look at that, man. Come on, son. Wicked, mate. Are you all having a good one, yeah?
Yeah.
Thank you, brother. Look at that, mate. Can you feel the love tonight? Stagman crew.
It's not
Where are you, isn't it? You get it? Stagman crew, where are you?
It's not bird, it's not plane. It's not Superman, it's Stagman.
Wicked, mate. I like that. Go on, say that again, man. That was good.
On Ryanair.
Hang on. I'll do the sound effects first.
It's not bird, it's not a plane. It's not Superman, it's Stagman.
You know that, boss. As Iron Man said, I am the Stagman. Look at that, awesome. And the crowd went wild. Did it? Yes, matey. Go on, brother. Love it, mate. Love it. Come on. Woo! When's the big day? Big love to everybody that's not here.
Temperature on the app. Temperature on the app.
It's crap. So what's the temperature on the ground, bro?
22
Come on, man.
maybe.
Come on, do the finger, mate. Do the finger thing. Come on.
Fucking windy.
Here we go. Look.
22.
Oh, mate. Look at that, brother. Wicked, mate. Fucking awesome, man. And that's my boy. How you doing, bro? You good? Not bad, man. Not bad, mate. Look at that.
Good man.
That's what I call fucking happiness. There,
We're
man.
always happy.
Bless
We're
you, brother.
living happy.
Fucking awesome, man. Wicked, bro. Look at that, mate. You know what, mate? It's lovely to see people enjoying themselves, and that's what we're all about. You know, that is what we're all about. It's all about. Oh, bless you. I'm only it's only a Facebook Live. So, how long have you been following them?
Well, we've booked this in January, so we've been following you since January.
Oh, bless you. She's beautiful. Wow. And whereabouts are you from?
Birmingham.
Birmingham.
Yeah.
Oh, is that anywhere near Sally Oak, Kings Norton?
Yeah, not far.
So I've got family there. Childhood holidays there.
Yeah, I've been watching.
Joanne, lovely to meet you, Joanne. Come on. You know that. Woo! Look at that, mate.
Up the track, dude.
Go on, son. Wicked, mate. Hey, mate, look at that. Yes, mate. I'm live on Facebook. Look at that. Look at these beautiful things. Look at them. Wicked. Oh, wow. Look at that. Oh, awesome. Wicked. You look amazing. Wow. You see what I mean? See what I've got to put up with on a regular basis? I mean, on a daily basis, almost an hourly basis, a minute basis. You call it what you want, mate. It's fucking mad. Look at that, my boys. Come on, mate.
Hi, mate. You okay?
Whereabouts you from?
Liverpool.
Liverpool. I kind of figured that, but I just wanted you to say it because on my live here, mate. Look at that. Are you having a good time, yeah?
Sound perfect.
Wicked, brother. Lovely to see you guys. Cheers, bro. Look at that, mate. Can you feel the love tonight? Look at that, mate. That's what you call a fucking happy, mate. I am, brother. Who are you? What's your name?
Carl.
And where are you from?
Dungarran.
Wicked, brother. Look at that, mate.
Dungarran, Northern Ireland.
Big love, mate. 100%, brother. See you later on, yeah? Enjoy yourself, brother. Take care, brother. Look at that, mate.
What we on now? TikTok or
Facebook, mate. Facebook. Yeah. I like Facebook.
Hey, man, Frank, the Stagman.
Oh, thank you, bro. And have you enjoyed yourself?
We've just come here to be there and we're straight down here. Well, been around here, straight down to see.
Exactly, mate. And the lads are having a great time, mate. Come on,
Frankie boy!
you all right, mate? You good? How are you, man? And you, brother? Good to see you, man. Look at that. My boys. Look, like I said, people love what we do. Do you know what I mean? They love what we do because I love what we do. If I love what we do, I know you'll love what we do because you'll love what you do because I love it. Oh, gotcha. Wicked, mate. Cool. How you doing, man?
How you doing, mate?
Not bad, bro. Not bad, mate.
How you doing?
You just survived.
He's Frankie boy.
Come on, brother. I'm good, bro. I'm good, mate. I'm good. Where are you all from?
Rugby. Birmingham.
No. Wicked, mate. So the rugby crew,
Nice
man.
to meet you.
And lovely to meet you, brother. Lovely to meet you. You having a good time, yeah?
Yeah, very good.
Wicked, man. Look at that. The rugby crew. Come on. You know that, brother. Boom, mate. Boom. See you later on, boys. See you later on, man. See you later on, man. Look at that. Come on.
Keep there, keep there, keep there.
And you know what's so strange? What's so strange? The amount of time the girls have been there, and you all still look beautiful. You're not all mashed up yet. I mean, look at this. Wicked, mate. Professional drinkers. Oh, wicked, mate. And the girls are from Limerick, innit?
Yeah, Limerick.
Limerick girls. Wicked.